How do you unenroll your brand on Brand Registry? My name is Stephen Pope and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. In this short video, I will walk you through how to unenroll your brand in Seller Central. Some of you might be asking, why should I do this? Why would I even want to do this? Well, if you're doing a brand name change and you need to unenroll a brand to switch the brand name of a listing to another brand, that's why. Changing a brand name on Amazon is so difficult that we created this special service to do it. In this video, I'll walk you through how to file that ticket, but you may need to hire My Amazon Guy. We even helped out Adam Heiss on changing his own brand name. All right, so go over to brandservices.amazon.com. In here, you want to go to support, contact brand support, technical issues, which you're going to go for on the drop down here. And you're going to write in the template something along the lines of this. Hey, we need a case escalated to the brand registry team immediately. We have registered, enter your brand name on Amazon, but it is discontinued. Please remove this brand from brand registry, including brand registry 2.0 and 1.0 completely since it is discontinued. Unenroll the brand entirely. So you'll notice here, we're being redundant. And the way that we wrote this script, we're going to post this in the description of the YouTube video so you can copy it yourself. We go through the motions of doing this because it's the only way to change the brand name of a brand registered brand product and switch it over to a new brand. So hopefully you found this helpful. I have over 25 videos where I talk about other brand registry bugs. They're so common. Think of My Amazon Guy as the walking encyclopedia of all things Amazon and how to sell on Amazon. Check out these other brand registry videos right here.